Hi, this is Ravish, South Indian Punjabi from Haryana, taking you onto a nostalgic trip to Garden Valley, Niglat village near Nainital. We start our day with a journey of faith. As the morning unfolds, we make our way to Kanchi Temple, a place where silence speaks louder than words, because some days are best begun by bowing the head and calming the heart. Inside the Garden Valley, the air is scented by nature itself. The oxygen also comes here with fragrance. Garden Valley, where wellness starts with breathing, no perfume, just plants. We reach Kechi Temple. This is Baba's darshan from outside, as no cameras are allowed inside the temple premises.
इतना सारा भीड़ है आज कैंची धाम में संडे का दिन.
We also go to Fortune Mall for a Kapil Sharma movie, which was a big flop.
What is the right time to go there?
I don't know. Okay, you see, when we reached there, he said some IAS Babu had stopped the grazing of animals here.
Okay.
And because of that, the flowers have not erupted for the last 2, 3, 4 years. Now we reached the river there. Beyond that was that lady's grave who had, I don't know if you heard of this or not.
No.
There's a foreign lady who had developed that place quite a bit.
Okay.
And she died there, her grave is there.
Oh.
We have not thought about.
So you have to cross that rivulet or river
Okay.
to reach that grave. Now when we reached there, we were told कि मत जाओ आगे क्योंकि वापसी में नदी चढ़ जाएगी बहुत.
अच्छा.
आपको वापस नहीं आ सकते आप. So we opened our khana wana there, had it by the riverside. And we went from here and came back via पूरा सर्कल कट के ऋषिकेश, श्रीनगर, ऋषिकेश होके
अच्छा पूरी बेल्ट करके कहाँ वापस आए?
दिल्ली गए वापस. या दिल्ली गए या थी याद नहीं.
What an adventure.
At that time we could, drive and travel and all, but on the बिल्कुल काटी गया.
But we want to do something like this so that we are able to tell stories when we are old.
Now coming to that gypsy,
Yeah.
I have a very good mechanic in Delhi who will be looking after my gypsy. Very dedicated fellow, Sikh guy, 6 foot lamba, 6.25 foot lamba. And he told me he goes to Hemkund Sahib every year.
Okay.
Later on, gala chukal ho gayi. Coincidentally, when I got a new car, he asked me for the gypsy. मैं कहा हाँ ले ले तू. कितने पैसे दिए जो मर्जी आए दे दे. I think he gave me 15,000-20,000 or something for it. I said, good, it was a diesel vehicle. Although, how I obtained that also, it comes very sadly to me that I was very bum-chum pal of a friend of mine who is in this auto business now. So I've got Tutu Ravan. टीवी पे भी आंदा रहता कभी.
तो वैसे कई गाड़ियां आती हैं बट जो 7 सीटर आप कहते हो तो उसके अंदर सिर्फ
School friend, we had known each other when we were this small. But ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਜਿਪਸੀ ਵੀ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਮੈਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਚਲੇ.
अच्छा.
But then थोड़ी खटपट हो गई. I don't meet him or talk to him for the last many years now. But it was very nice that when I sold the vehicle to Jagga, his name is, I sent a letter to him for signing of the sale letter of him. He did it without any hitch or anything. अबे वो भाई गल हो जाती है विच ते फिर वो दोस्ती है थोड़ी खट्टी पै गई.
कहना है ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ
ਜਿਸ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੜਾ ਭਾਗਾਂ ਵਾਲਾ ਘਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है, एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹੀ ਕੱਲ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग रवि।
हाउ आई फील, मुझे बहुत श्रद्धा है इधर,
हाँ.
क्योंकि एक बार शी आस्क्ड मी, शी सेड कि तुम बहुत परेशान लग रही हो।
अच्छा.
तो आई सेड नहीं माँ, शी सेड नहीं है,
हाँ.
क्या बात है बताओ मेरे को।
हाँ हाँ
सो उस टाइम पे वो 9/11 हुआ था,
हाँ हाँ.
तो क्षितिज हैड 5 साल से उसको नौकरी नहीं मिली थी,
अच्छा.
बिकॉज ही डन हिज फ्लाइंग ट्रेनिंग, डन हिज एविएशन, you know, engineering and everything in Australia, the elder one. But he was not getting a job because वो 9/11 बाद airlines कोई hire ही नहीं कर रहे थे pilots,
अच्छा अच्छा.
you know. So I told her about it. She said महाराज, she said जाओ महाराज जी से बोलो. And वो उनका तखत बाहर रहता था ना, अब तो बैठने भी नहीं देते, पहले भी वो
नहीं.
go and sit नीचे
Correct.
तखत के पास में, you can even put your head on it,
Correct.
you know. तो तखत था, तो वहाँ जाके and I think within 3 months time he got 3 offers from 3 airlines. तब मेरी तो बहुत शर्म
हाँ.
यहाँ पर।
और पहले तो उनकी जो हॉल है अंदर,
हाँ.
माता जी का, उसके अंदर बैठ के हनुमान चालीसा हमने भी पढ़ी है बहुत बार.
हाँ, अब तो नहीं, कुछ नहीं कर।
चलें जी
हाँ आई नो इट्स गेटिंग लेट देन।
ठीक है सर थैंक यू वेरी मच
थैंक यू रवि, थैंक यू जी।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
ये पूरा मेरा वीडियो मतलब
हाँ,
शक्ल के साथ में
ये
किया।
बच्चों के लिए स्टोरी के काम आएगा
हाँ?
बच्चों को स्टोरी सुनाने के काम में आएगा
ओह,
these are priceless things which have happened here